Hello friends! So it's time to do a little bit more math practice. We're gonna play a game today and it's called One More and One Less. So the way I like to play it is with some cards because that gives me the biggest selection of different numbers. So what you're going to need is just the cards. I only have 1 through 10. So it doesn't matter if they're all the same suit. Mine are all diamonds, but I'm just using the numbers 1 through 10. So an ace is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 through 10. And then I also have a pencil and a piece of paper to keep track of the math that I'm going to be practicing. So I'm going to take those cards and I'm just going to put them on the table. I'm going to mix them all up and then kind of put them back into a nice, neat pile. And the other thing I have to help me is I have some counters. So if you have some blocks that you would like to use, or maybe you have some Cheerios or some fish crackers or some buttons or paper clips or rocks, anything that you happen to have available to you that you can use as counters. So I have the numbers 1 through 10. And in my game, I'm going to do 1 more and 1 less. So I only need 11 counters. So I'm going to get those out right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to double check that I have the right amount. Maybe this time I'm going to practice skip counting and counting by twos just for fun. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1 more is 11. So those are my counters. I'll move those aside. And now I'm all ready to play my game. First thing I'm going to do is flip up the first card on the pile. It is a number 4. So I'm going to practice 1 more, and I'm going to write down the equation for that. So 1 more than 4 is 4 plus 1. So I'm going to go 4 plus 1 equals. Now I can count the diamonds on my card, 1, 2, 3, 4, and know that 1 more is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To get my answer, I could also use my counters. I could put 4 on the table, and then I could go, what's 1 more than 4? Add 1 more counter and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how I can have my answer of 5. 1 more than 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And because I'm practicing right now, I'm being very careful to practice making my numbers too. So I'm making them nice and neat. I'm putting spaces between my 4 and my plus and my 1, my equal sign and my 5. And if you want, you can even use full finger spaces in between to keep it very nice and neat so that it's easy to read and to look back on. And now this game was called 1 more and 1 less. So now we're going to do 1 less than 4. I'm going to go 4 minus 1. I'm going to take 1 away. 4 and then take 1 away. That subtraction sign, which is also called a minus sign, shows how you take something away. 4 minus 1 equals. So I could use my card. I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4 diamonds there in the middle. And then I could take 1 away and see that there's 1, 2, 3 left. That's one way to figure it out. 4 minus 1 equals 3. I could also take my counters, put 4 on the table, take 1 away, and now I have 3 left. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we did a plus 1 and a minus 1. So 1 more and 1 less. 4 plus 1, 1 more than 4 is 5. 4 minus 1, 1 less than 4 is 3. Perfect. Now we're ready to go on to our next card. So I'm going to flip up the next one. Ooh, this one's a 10. I'm going to write 10. Now what's 1 more than 10? 10 plus 1 equals, I know when I'm counting, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 more than 10 is 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. I could use my counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1 more is 11. Now I'm going to do 1 less than 10. So 10 minus 1 equals. So I know that there's 10 diamonds here in the middle. I could take 1 away and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. I could also use my counters to help me. Here I have 10. I can take 1 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's how I know I have 9. You could also, with any of your equations, if you want to draw a picture to go with it, you could always use tallies or circles. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add 1 more is 11. Or take 1 away is 9. So tallies, adding 1 more, or taking 1 away. So you can draw a picture on your page as well if that helps you. But remember, the goal of this game is to be able to get quick at being able to add 1 and take 1 away. So whatever helps you do it the fastest. Sometimes I find I just keep practicing and then I start to know the answer. I don't even have to think about it. So let's try the next one. 9. Okay. 9 plus 1 equals 10. I've practiced that a lot, so I know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. So I don't need to use this method of counting the diamonds. I don't need to use my counters over here because I knew that that was 10. But if I want to use them, I can always do that to check my answer and make sure that I'm correct. But try to get to a point where you practice enough that you just start to kind of know. And then you use the counters and you use the method of counting those diamonds to check that you're correct. So now we did 9 plus 1, we have to do 9 minus 1. And I know when I'm counting that 8 comes before 9. So I know that 9 minus 1 is 8. I can double check by taking 1 of those diamonds away and then counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 9 minus 1 is 8. Or I can use my counters. So I start with 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. And 1 more is 9. And if I take 1 away, I have 2, 4, 6, 8 left. 8 left. So now I know that I'm correct. And if I want to draw a picture with tallies or circles, I could also do that. And so that's how the game works. That's how we practice. We just keep flipping through the cards and practicing. Once you get all the way through the deck of cards, you can take a break, do something else. And if you want to come back and play this game again later, you can always do that to keep practicing, because all you'll do is get faster and faster and better at your number sense and knowing how to add 1 more or take 1 away. Thanks, everybody. I had a lot of fun doing some math with you today. Great job, and keep up the good practicing.